So, hello guys, welcome to MG's Academy. Today we are going to start with a new question session of our lesson number 4, that is arithmetic equation. This is our class 6th IPM series. So, let us start. So, our first question in this question session is, one number is 5 less than 4 times the another. If the sum is 55, find out the largest of the numbers. So here they have clearly given us an equation here. One number is 5 less than 4 times the another and the sum is 55. So our first rule is we have to find both the numbers. So we have to consider one number as x. So we will write here, let us consider our first number as x. So let us consider our first number as x. So we will find our second number. So our second number here would be, it is 5 less than 4 times the another. So our another number is not but just x. This is the number. So from this we have to find the second number. So 4 times the another. So 4 times means just 4x, 4 times x, and 5 less than that. So 4x minus 5, 5 less than just clearly means that we have to subtract. So less than clearly means that we have to subtract. So we have got our number, that is 4x minus 5 as our second number. So now let us form our equation. Let us write our equation here. Our equation would be the addition of both the numbers, that is 4x minus 5 plus x. Addition, they have told us that we have to take the sum of the both. So let us take this here, the sum of both of them. So we will write 4x minus 5 is equals to, we have added here, that is we have made our sum, that is equals to 55. So now let us start solving it. So our like terms would come one side and unlike term would go on the other side. So our like terms, that is x and x, would start meeting up, and the 5, that is the number, would go on the other side. So let us put them on the other side. 4x plus x, the sign of x won't change because it is on the same side. So 55 on this side, this is minus x or minus 5. On going on this side, it would become plus 5. So 4x plus x would just give us 5x, and 55 plus 5 would give us 60. So x would be nothing but 60 divided by 5. 60 divided by 5, we can clearly see x is equals to 12. So we got x is equals to 12. So now we have to find the another number. So we have got x as 12. So what is our another number? So let us take that number here. 4x minus 5. So 4 into x. What is x? X is 12 and minus 5. 4 times 12 is nothing but 48, and minus 5, this would give us the answer as 43. So they have told us to find out the largest of the numbers. So which is largest? Is 12 largest or 43 largest? 12 largest or 43 is the largest? We can clearly see that 43 is the largest. So 43 is our answer. Simple. So our next question in the question session is 2x minus 7 divided by 4 is equals to 5x plus 2 divided by 3. So this is our question. So let us take this to solve. So first we will write this equation here. 2x minus 7 divided by 4 is 5x plus 2 divided by 3. So our first rule, we always know that we have to cross multiply first. So here we will cross multiply our digits, that is 4 on this side and 3 on this side. So we will write here as 3 into 2x minus 7 is equals to 4 into 5x plus 2. So we will multiply here this first, then we will multiply this. Here also we will multiply this first, and then we will multiply this. So let us multiply. 3 into 2x is equals to 6x, and 3 into 7 is equals to 21. 4 into 5x is equals to 20x, and 4 into 2 is equals to 8. The sign remains the same after multiplication also. So now we will start taking the like terms on one side and unlike terms on the other side. So let us take it. 6x minus 20x is equals to 8 plus 21. So this is minus, it will go on this side and become plus, and this is plus, it would go and become minus. So now here we will start calculating. So 6x minus 20x. So here clearly we can see it is coming in negative, that is answer is minus 14x. So the next is 8 plus 21. 8 plus 21 clearly is 29. So here we can write x is equals to this minus 14, here it multiplies. So here we can see that here it multiplies. Now going on this side it would divide. So let us write it as 29 divided by 14, and this would get a minus sign because 29 divided by 14. So our answer would be x is equals to minus 29 by 14. So the next question is, a man is 5 years elder than his wife and they have a 9-year-old boy. If the total of the ages of the man and his wife is 7 times the age of their son, what is the age of that man? So here we have to find the age of the man, and here they have just given the relationship between the man and the wife, that the man is 5 years elder than his wife, and they have also given us the age of their son, that is 9-year-old, and they have also given us to form an equation the sum of their ages, which is 7 times the age of their son. So these are the clues given us in the question. So let us use them to find our answer. So who is elder here? The man is elder. So to make our equation simpler, we will first consider the age of the wife. So let us consider the age of the wife. So we will consider the age of the wife as x. So the age of the man would clearly become, as he is elder than his wife by 5 years, it would become x plus 5 years. So this is the age of the wife, that is x years, and the age of the man, that is x plus 5 years. So we will also write here age of their son, which is given here as 9 years. Given here as 9 years. I'll write it clearly. 9 years. So what is our equation telling us? What if the total of the ages of the man and the wife is 7 times the age of their son? So here, to make an equation, we have to use both the age of the man and the age of the wife and make their sum, and on the other side would be the 7 times the age of their son. So let us make our equation. It would be x plus 5, this is the sum, it would be equal to 7 times the age of their son, that is 9 years. So we have our equation in our hand, so we have to just solve it now. So x plus x would give us 2x. 2x plus 5 would give us 7 into 9. What is 7 into 9? Simply 63. So 2x, here 5 is plus, on going on this side it would become minus. So we will write it as 63 minus 5. So what is 63 minus 5? It would be just 58. So x would be 58 divided by 2. So 58 divided by 2 would clearly give us x is equals to 29 years. So we have got the x as 29 years, but what is x? X is the age of wife. So but we have to find the age of the man. So age of the man would be clearly x plus 5, which would be 29 plus 5, it would be none other than 34 years. So the age of the man is 34 years. This is our answer. Easy. So our next question is 3 into x minus 6 plus 2 into 2x minus 7 is equals to 4 into x minus 7 minus 5 into x plus 4. So this is a simple looking equation, or not, I don't know, but let us solve. So first we will write our equation again. So 3 into x minus 6 plus 2 into 2x minus 7 is equals to 4 into x minus 7 minus 5 into x plus 4. So we will start multiplying the equations. So I'll show you the order how to multiply. So first here, then here, next here, then this. So the same order follows on the other side also, but the sign would remain the same as we are multiplying. So here we will write it as 3x minus 18 plus 2 into 2x is 4x minus 14. So here this would be 4x minus 28. So this is minus 5x. So minus 5x minus 5. Here this whole term would be considered. So minus 5 into plus 4. This would give us minus 20. So the whole is considered. Next we will write the unlike terms would go on the other side and the like terms would come on this side. So let us write them in simplified form, that is 3x plus 4x. This 4x is plus, on going on this side it would become minus. So minus 4x, this minus 5x would become plus on coming this side. So plus 5x. This would give us minus 28 minus 20. Next this minus 18 would go on this side and it would become plus, and minus 14 would become also plus. So plus 18 plus 14. So we will add these. 3x plus 4x is 7x. 7x minus 4x is again 3x. 3x plus 5x would give us 8x. So 8x is equals to minus 28 minus 20. This would give us minus 48. So minus 48 plus 18 plus 14. So minus 48 plus 18. So this would clearly give us answer as minus 30. So minus 30 plus 14. So answer would be 8x is equals to minus 16. So x would be minus 16 by 8, which would give us the value of x is equals to minus 2. So our next question here is Ketan got 12 marks less than Amit and Praveen got 6 marks more than Amit. If the average of the marks of Ketan, Amit and Praveen is 84, how many marks Amit got? So it looks like a fully loaded question. It has so many clues here. Ketan got 12 marks less than Amit. So this is our first clue. Then Praveen got 6 marks more than Amit. So are both the statements are related to Amit. So both the statements are related to Amit. Here we can relate both of them to Amit. So we have to find the marks of Amit. So this clearly indicates that we have to consider that let the marks of Amit be x marks. So we have considered the marks of Amit as x. So now we will find how much Ketan got. So Ketan's marks. So Ketan has got 12 less than. So less than clearly indicates that it is subtraction. So x minus 12, it is less than. So Ketan has got x minus 12 marks. And Praveen's marks we ask. So Praveen's marks are 6 more than. So more than clearly indicates x plus 6 marks. So here we have got all the marks in the form of x. So if the average of the marks of Ketan, Amit and Praveen is 84. So we have to recall that what is average. So average here I'll write in the corner is total sum divided by number of articles or the sum of their marks. So number of persons who got their marks in this case. So this is the formula of average we have to keep in our mind. So here we will find out the average of the marks, that is average is equals to total sum, that is x plus x minus 12 plus x plus 6. This divided by how many persons are there? So there are total 3 persons here. So what is their average given? It is given as 84. So here we can see that we can cross multiply 3 here on the other side. So let us cross multiply 3. So we will get x plus x minus 12 plus x plus 6 is equals to 84 into 3. So we will multiply 84 into 3 here. So 84 into 3 would clearly give us answer as 252. So we will write our answer as 252. So we will now move the like and unlike terms on the sides, on their sides. So let us move them. X, x and x. The 3 x's are of the positive sign, that is adds or plus sign. So they would be added and they would be written as 3x. So 252 plus 12, because minus would become plus and this would become minus 6. So here we could first subtract or add, anything we could do. That first we will subtract, that 12 minus 6 would give us 6. So 3x would directly give us 252 plus 6. So 252 plus 6 would give us 258. So 258. So we will write here the rest. X is equals to 258 divided by 3. So now we have our division. So we will do our division here. 258 divided by 3, so this will be 8 minus 24, 18 and 6 minus 18, 0. So here we got x is equals to 86 marks, and whose marks we have considered as x, that is Amit's marks. So what we have to find in the question was Amit's marks. So 86 is our answer. So this is our completion of this lecture, and please subscribe, like and share to MG's Maths and Science Academy. After subscribing, you are supporting this academy to make such new and interesting videos. So please subscribe.